Hey, what's up, ComSci community? Back with day number 3 of my 100 days of code, and I'm feeling really good. So I've gotten into a little bit of a rhythm where I start out with Team Treehouse, I do some exercises there, and then I jump onto one of the projects that I'm doing. So in Team Treehouse today, we finished off with the box method and we covered some viewport sizing, which is awesome because it definitely comes in handy with web development. And we're even doing some of that with the portfolio website with Ania. And after I was done with Team Treehouse, I hopped back on the portfolio and I added the About Me section. So let's jump right into it and I'll show you what I did today. Alright, so here we are back in my portfolio. We have this awesome button that I added just yesterday and these awesome social icons that take you to my LinkedIn and to my GitHub. And this is the About Me section that I added today. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but this was, a little over a half hour of coding. And it's properly marked up and it's properly styled, and that's really about it. So a little bit every day, making consistent progress. That's really what's going to get you toward your goals. So I'm happy with what I did today. I also had to cut it a little short because I do have a lot of homework to do today. So that's pretty much it. This section here is going to be for all the different projects that I have. I don't have a lot yet, so I'm just going to put a lot of placeholders, and I'll come back and fill this in once I actually have completed more projects. But this is what I'm working on tomorrow, and then the footer. And hopefully I'm done with this by Sunday and I have it uploaded to Bluehost so you guys can actually check it out under timstatler.com, which I already purchased that domain. I've had it honestly for a long time. I've been meaning to do this for a while, so this is kind of a little past due. That's really it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, have a good day. Take care.